I have spent many years trying to make peoples of the UK understand difference between market and meerkat, with no success. But while relaxing in bubble bath last night, I was nearly drowned by incredible brainwave. I'm looking for human person to become UK best ambassador for Mirkovo. Someone to explain that our villagers are very unhappy that they cannot compare meerkats on comparethemeerkat.com. You could represent Mirkovo at some of the biggest cultural and sporting events in the UK. You could be Mirkovo hero. As if that was not enough, Ambassador will also receive great payment of 40,000 English pounds for 6-month contract. So, to apply, get a computer mobile, visit mirkovo.com, fill out your details and answer my special designed questions. Simples! Thank you and good luck! No, Sergey, you cannot apply. You already have job, which you're not doing, by the way. Get back to work.